Welcome to Luneta Park, one of the most iconic landmarks in Manila, Philippines. In 2025, this historic park continues to be a vibrant hub of culture, history, and natural beauty. Spanning over 58 hectares, Luneta Park is not just a park, it's a symbol of Philippine independence and a testament to our rich history. Here, you can find locals and tourists alike, all coming together to enjoy the lush greenery and the serene atmosphere. At the heart of the park stands the Rizal Monument, a tribute to our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Erected in 1913, this monument marks the spot where Rizal was executed in 1896, igniting the flame of revolution against colonial rule. Visitors often stop here to pay their respects, reflecting on the sacrifices made for our freedom. The changing of the guard ceremony adds a touch of solemnity and tradition, captivating everyone who witnesses it. But Luneta is not just about history, it is also a place of beauty. The park is adorned with vibrant gardens, stunning fountains, and walking paths that invite you to explore. Whether you're jogging, picnicking, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to indulge in local delicacies from the food stalls scattered throughout the park. From street food favorites like isaw and face balls to refreshing boko juice, your taste buds are in for a treat. Adjacent to Luneta Park is the National Museum Complex, where you can dive deeper into the Philippines' rich heritage. The National Museum of Fine Arts, National Museum of Anthropology, and National Museum of Natural History offer a glimpse into our artistic and cultural journey. In 2025, the park continues to host various educational programs and cultural events, making it a perfect destination for families and students. It's a place where learning meets leisure. As the sun sets, Luneta Park transforms into a magical place. The soft glow of the lights, the laughter of children, and the gentle rustle of leaves create an enchanting atmosphere that's perfect for evening strolls. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or are simply looking for a place to unwind, Luneta Park in 2025 is a must-visit destination. Come and experience the beauty, history, and culture that this iconic park has to offer. So plan your visit today and discover why Luneta Park remains a beloved treasure in the heart of Manila.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manila, the capital of the Philippines. Located on the eastern shore of Manila Bay, this vibrant city spans just 25 square kilometers, yet holds over 1.8 million people. Explore the historic Intramuros, visit Rizal Park, or stroll through Binondo, the world's oldest Chinatown.